Ranger. How you doing? Hey, how you doing, there, little guy? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, what's up? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing there, Mom? All right. Hey, how you doing? How you doing there? Hey, how you doing? How you doing over there? Hey, how you doing? Hey, what's up, little girl? There he is. There he is. Hey, how you doing? How you doing there? Hey, how you doing there? Ooh. Alright, hi everybody. How y'all doing? Alright. You ready to have some fun? Hey, it's me, the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger in person. Alright. Hey, y'all want to know some karate right now? Alright, everybody, come on. Let's get in line. Line up. Everybody get lined up. Spread out. Make sure you got arm length between you. We don't want to kick anybody. I'm going to learn some karate here. Alright? Come on, to you. Alright? And boys and girls, you know, don't practice this at school. Only at home around your mom and dad, alright? Alright, come on! Let's just have some fun, learn some karate and do all kind of things. Are y'all ready? Alright, are y'all? Alright, y'all gotta spread out a little, move apart a little. Alright, try to move out just a little bit more. Alright, now before I teach y'all a couple of simple karate moves here, you have to warm up, alright? If you don't warm up, you can pull a muscle, it doesn't feel good, alright? Alright, the first thing we're going to do is what you call jumping jacks. Do you know what half jacks is? Alright, it's just like jumping jacks, only you don't go all the way up, you only go halfway up. You want me to show you one? Alright, watch. Alright, don't forget to go all the way down. Tighten up those sides, alright? Alright, y'all ready? Alright, we're gonna do 10. Are y'all ready? Alright, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, give yourself a big round of applause. Alright, oh, you're Kane, the birthday person? Well, Kane, come up here. You get to stand up on the big morphin box, all right? Since it's your big birthday party bash boy, all right? Oh, Zane. Oh, I'm sorry. Everybody makes mistakes in the world. Famous Billy, the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. All right, you want to come up here and stand on the morphin box? You know? All right, that's all right. You don't have to if you want to. You can stay over there if you want. You want to get on the front row? All right. All right. Now, y'all feel a little loosen up? Alright, the first thing I want to teach y'all, but first let me say something to y'all. Whatever you do not practice this at home, alright? Alright? I mean, don't never practice at school, only at home around your mom and dad, alright? And never practice around any coffee tables, and make sure you're wearing appropriate clothes and the loose clothes there. Alright, and also never use your karate unless you really have to for self-defense purposes, alright? That's very important. Alright, now I'm going to show you a simple right-hand punch, but first, you got to learn the stance. You know what a square horse stance is? You always want to be in a stance because if you throw yourself off balance, fall down, you can get hurt and look a little embarrassing too. Alright, what I want you to do is to spread your legs about 2 shoulder lengths apart. Alright, now bend your knees slightly, and that's a square horse stance. See? You don't go nowhere. Now stand back up. Get normal? Now watch, see? If you want in a square horse stance, you're throwing yourself off balance. Alright, now always be in that position, alright? Now what we want to do? Put your hands on your side like this. Alright, Zane, like this. Alright. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do a simple right hand punch. Are you ready? You don't go out like this, twist, alright? You ready? Are you ready? Punch! Alright, back in. Ready? Punch! Alright, back in. Ready? Punch! Alright, back in. Ready, punch! Alright, back in. Alright, give yourself a big round of applause. Give them a big round of applause, everybody. Alright. You think you can handle a left punch and a right punch? You think you can handle it? We don't see. What you gonna do? You gonna go out your right hand. When you come in your right hand, you're gonna go out your left hand. All right, you got that? Are you ready? Are you in position? Position, Zane, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, that's much better, much better. Like this. Are you ready? Like this, like this. Look. You get it? Right, right. Are you ready? Punch. All right, remember the left hand. All right, ready? Punch. Are you 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 back in position? All right, give yourself a big round of applause. Man, y'all are on fire. Man, you are the man. All right, right there. Great job. Great job. All right. Now you think you can handle a kick? You want to try a kick? All right, what you want to do? You're going to put your left foot out front of you unless you're right-footed. Come over your right foot and you got that? Are you in position? Are you ready? Kick. Are you back down? 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 Excellent. Give them a big round, everybody. Man, great job. Man, you had it hooked up. You was on fire. You was smoking. You was hot. You was on fire. All right. Y'all think you can handle everything? A right punch, a left punch, and a kick? You think you can handle it, Zane? All right, we're going to see. All right, what you want to do? You want to get in position, all right, like this? All right, then we're going to go with a right punch, a left punch, and a kick. Are you ready? All right, everybody at the same time, all right? All right, you ready? Are you in position? Are you ready? Punch, punch, kick. All right, that was pretty bad. This time, let's all do it together at the same time, all right, there, big guy? All right, Junior Ranger? Are you ready? All right, in position? Are you ready? Punch, punch, kick. All right, that was a little better, but this time let's all do it together at the same time, all right? You ready there, Junior Ranger? Are you ready? Are you in position? Are you ready? Punch, punch, kick. Excellent job. Give them a big round, folks. Man, they had it hooked up. They was on fire. All right, great job, man. That was incredible, Zane. Man, where you learn how to do karate like that? All right, since y'all did that so well, if y'all get close together, sit down right here and I'll have a little treat for y'all now. Man, y'all want to see me do a couple things? I bought the big morphin box. Huh? What do you think, huh? It's the real morphin box there, big guy. All right. All right there, Holmes. All right, Slim. All right, Slick. Hey, what's up, cuz? What's up? All right. Now I'm gonna put some magic music on the background. All right. All right. So y'all watch really, really closely. All right. Are y'all ready? Wow, dude. All righty then. I still can't hear you. Try that one more time. Are y'all ready for some magic? I still can't hear you louder. I want to hear you scream. All right, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. All right, let's do this then. Let's pump it up. We'll pump it up. I'm gonna rock Shaw, man. Huh? What do you think? What you think? Alright, Zane, do this right here. Go like this. Alright, pretty cool. See if you did it. Oh, a little too much there, Zane. You're trying to put my lines back on it again. Go like this right here. See if you did it. right? Here we go. Ooh. Hey, y'all know how to tie your shoestrings? You wanna see how I tie mine? Now, while you was outside playing or working there today, has this ever happened to you right here? One end of your string, you get caught through one of your loops, and then you go take your shoes off to go to bed. You have a night, huh? Boy, to make matters even more complicated, the other side got caught through the rope. You got one really big knot, huh? So here's the magic. Whoa, what do you think, huh? Hey, you want to see some juggling? I can't hear you. You think I can do it? You think I can do it? Yeah, no. Here we go. On the morphin box. What do you think, huh? Oh, but I don't like that, huh? You want to see you want to finish with a triple? Thank you very much. Thank you, kids, please, you're embarrassing me. What do you think? What do you think, huh? One hand. Oh, thank you, Lily. That's extreme. Hey, Zane, you ready to come up do a trick on the morphin box? Well, come on, you want to come up? You can come on. Zane, you want to come and stand up on the morphin box? Do the big foul trick? How about a big round for Zane? You come on. Oh, you want to stand up on the big truck? The morphin truck? Alright, you can stay right there. Alright, push it in. Nothing in there. Push it in. Push it in. Alright, now say the big magic word. Go like this and pull it back out. Pull it out. Whoa! Look at that! Here, pull it out! Pull it out! How about a big round for the magic of Zane? Alright! You gotta sit back over there, Zane. Alright, now Zane, since today's your big birthday party bash blowout, we don't have to do the musical version of the happy birthday song. You wanna do the musical version? All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
right, you ready? I want to hear everybody. You ready there, little girl? Lady, are you ready? All right, here we go. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, so say all of us. I can hear you. So say all of us. I can hear you. So say all of us. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, so say all of us. Oh, y'all gotta do better than that. Yo, you, sir, come on, I want to see those little speedballs. Come on, the microphone over there. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, and so say all of us, and so say all of us, and so say all of us. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow.